Here we are, Brandon Marsh. Come to see the murmuration. Apparently tonight there could be up to 40 to 50,000 starlings. An incredible sight and spectacular view. I recommend anybody coming to see it. Hopefully tonight they're going to all come in these rebeds. So thumbs up, let's see what we can film.
Hey, it's some more. That's a peregrine, isn't it?
I think so. They're all joining up now, look.
So that's a peregrine falcon. Quite a few coming into it now.
A few thousand there now.
And some more over there. I think there's a few coming in.
Yeah, there's quite a few thousand out there now. Yeah. More joining and more joining, look at that. Stunning. Spectacular. What a beautiful sight. Now it's really getting big. Definitely now. Amazing, look at that. Look at that.
And more.
Wow, look at that.
More.
Look at the pattern, shapes. I highly recommend anybody come and see this. Wow, absolutely thousands. Imagine what they'll be in December and January. Even more, I'd have thought.
Look.
Yeah, not one starling bumps into another.
Bloody hell, there's loads coming in. Hey, look, they're going down.
Yeah, some are going in now, look, see them?
Yeah.
They're going into the reeds now to roost.
Yeah,
Yeah, going down by, see them going down?